Hello folks, this is DarkArg15, and today I'm playing Pokemon Black and White. Because, you know, Pokemon Black, White, and White 2 are coming out, so I guess I decided just to go back and play this one. Right now I'm just doing the Battle Subway, you know, doing some stuff like that. Let's see if I can fix it today. Where's, oh, whatever. Yes, people, those Pokemon are start working. So it didn't do much damage. Good thing clutch though. Here's this. And this. Good, good. Both. Guess I'll just go ahead and end this. People, I will be making more videos of Pokemon Black and White, since Black and White 2 are coming out. I may put my discussions about Black and White 2 out there, and my theories. Just remember, subscribe, and I'm out.